Winter is around the corner. Trees are going empty, but the chill of autumn is still in the air. So let's take this journey on a poetic note. I walk through these woods, the fall color enticing my soul. The chill of winter beginning to crawl through my skin. All the worries of the never satisfied world washed away when the skin connects nature. A blanket of colors fall upon the trees, red, orange, and gold. I walk through these woods, the fall color enticing my soul. But now their time has gone. The fall is ending and winter has come.